all your friends and family, all your car enthusiast friends who like.
Subscribe to me or else.
And welcome back, folks. It's your boy DCS right here on another weekend video, and today it is the diecast unboxing. Kin Smart, you ask? No. It's from Toyco, guys, and you know the car because you guys have watched the intro part, right? Am I right? If you guys haven't watched the intro part, do check it out. It'll be popping up in the screen right here. And also, this car today is from
Toyota.
The Toyota FJ Cruiser. This is supposed to be a retro style SUV, which most of the people did prefer, but I'm glad they ended the production at 2022 and it started at 2006, so that's a good production run. You won't get any special features in the model car, but in the actual Toyota FJ Cruiser, well, you have suicide doors, not like the Rolls-Royce, don't get mistaken. You know the RX-8? Yes, they copied that design from the Mazda RX-8, I suppose. Probably it's just like, you know, one of those experimental versions, and it did kind of have a hit. Odd to have a suicide door in an SUV. Leaving that, it was a crazy car and I really did not like the retro styling. Oh, I do have the box right here. This is from Toyco. Okay guys, so it's not all that different in terms of design, but in terms of details, this thing is really not so good. That's because it does not come with the headlamps, and a lot of the headlamps are just pretty fake, and the back is a whole mess. Well, we'll check that out in the looks and details. So as usual, first we have the unboxing and then we'll go for its specs. Before that, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe. If you guys want to check out more of my unboxings every weekend, guys, every Saturday, do stay tuned for that and press the bell icon. Share to all your friends and family, all your car enthusiast friends who like. So let's take a look at this FJ Cruiser. Alright, as I said, the details aren't all that much. The only thing good in this thing is its body, because the body is very neatly done. Like, the styling is cool, but well, what can I say? It really misses a lot of those details, and the front kind of looks like it's been markered. Well, yeah, that's kind of odd. Like, they should have made it the body color, but they just, I don't know, sketched it up. Well, that's kind of cheap. And guys, this is how the interior of the car is. Well, yeah, you can see the difference between a Kin Smart one and this one. It's not really all that good on the inside. It doesn't even imitate the actual FJ Cruiser. Well, and this thing does not even come with door pads, so that's really disappointing. And they've given some Mercedes G-Wagon's wheels on this thing. Well, I can't say that it doesn't suit it. It actually looks pretty nice, but it really isn't for this car. Well, look at the back. As I told you, this does not have, you know, rear taillights, and it's got this ugly spare tire over there. Yeah, even in real life, the design details weren't so good, and in this, it's completely awful. Well, that's the overall look. Well, I hope the pullback is at least nice. Yeah, the pullback is good, and if you look at the bottom, you haven't got much over here. There was supposed to be a battery compartment over here, but I don't think it's there now. Well, that's the overall look, and this is how it looks with the doors open on both sides. Yeah, not all that much exciting. Okay, so let's just go for the specs. So let's start off with the specs of the Toyota FJ Cruiser, the XJ10 edition. Let's start off with the engine, guys, first. The engine is a 4-liter dual overhead cam 1GR FE V6. I was kind of surprised to see that it had only one option, being a Toyota and all. Well, that's only in the XJ10 version. Talking about the transmission you have two options. One is a 6-speed manual, which is only available in a 4-wheel drive variant, and you get the 5-speed automatic, which is available in both the 4-wheel drive as well as the rear-wheel drive variant too. Well, talking about the horsepower of this car is 237 horsepower, which is produced from that V6 engine, the 1GR FE, and it actually has 361 Nm of torque, which is average all in all. Talking about the acceleration, this car ranges from 7.2 seconds, you know, the top edition, to the most bottom one, which does a 9.7 seconds 0 to 60. Going for the top speed of this Toyota FJ Cruiser is 110 miles per hour. That's 180 kilometers per hour. Again, pretty average for an SUV. Going for the body style, you get a 5-door SUV with a rear suicide doors. Yes, the rear suicide doors is actually this one, guys. So these things do open up just like the Mazda RX-8, and I don't know, it kind of looks similar to the RX-8's suicide doors. Well, there you have it, guys. That's all the specs of the FJ Cruiser. Now let's give this car a score. Well, looking at all of its details and its not so very impressive performance, I give it a 6 out of 10, guys. The ratings is done, they're final. Do comment your ratings down below. I'll check them out and also give your opinion on this Toyota FJ Cruiser, whether you should buy it or not. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and also share it to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for more of my videos every Saturday, every weekend. Bye-bye. DCS out.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe!